How to deposit or withdraw crypto on crypto.com DeFi Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pippen Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit or withdraw on crypto.com DeFi Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. You can simply open up your wallet and log into your wallet first. So you can see you'll get an interface like this. In order to deposit a particular token or in order to receive a token, you can tap on receive option there and then select the particular token that you wish to receive. So you can see here, I'll just select Bitcoin for now. You can see you can either copy the address or you can get the QR code by tapping on the QR code. So you can use this particular address and head over to another wallet, open up the send option, and then there you want to simply paste in the address or scan the QR code and you'll be able to receive it here on your DeFi wallet. Similarly, if you wish to withdraw a particular crypto, simply tap on send option and then select the particular coin or token that you wish to send. You can use the search bar as well. I'll just select Bitcoin for now. Now it's taking some time to load up, but once you tap on the particular token, it should load up and it'll give you the option to paste in the address or scan the address. So like before, how you received it, similarly you'll need the deposit address from another wallet, then you can use that particular address. So this is way you can easily deposit or withdraw on crypto.com DeFi wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.